Goat cheese is the star of fiery goat dip. So I've got the goat cheese all sliced and it's ready to go. And then I've already started sauteing some onion and garlic. And I'm going to add some white wine just to deglaze everything that's gone on in here so far. I'm gonna turn up the heat. And then I'm gonna add a can of fire roasted tomatoes. Part of where the fiery goat comes in. And then a jar of roasted red peppers sliced up. And I'm letting the juice go in and everything. So I know it looks like a lot of red, but this is one of those things that you pull out from under the broiler and just set it down with the crostini. And before you know it, it is literally gone. It's that good. Do you guys like goat cheese?
No.
Yes.
Stop.
Goat cheese is my favorite cheese in the whole entire world.
It's just, it's really like a mystery how delicious it is. Oh, I forgot. Italian seasoning. Got to season things up. And paprika. This has a lot of flavor, this sauce. And some crushed red pepper flakes. I wonder how much I go through in a year. I mean, there's no telling. I love this stuff. All right, and that's another place that fiery comes into play.
All right.
There's a theme here, there's a theme. Okay, so now I just need to stir this around and cook it for about 10 minutes until it's cooked down, and then I'll move forward with the dip. Okay, Paige, check it out. It has reduced so much in just that 10 minutes. So what you want to do is make sure the sauce is off the sides of the pan and mostly just in a neat, single, even layer. And then you grab these coins of goat cheese and just arrange them on top. You don't have to really stick them too far down in the sauce, but you want to nestle them just a tiny bit. And you can only imagine what's going to happen from here. I don't believe that you don't like goat cheese, Alex.
Okay.
I just don't believe it. And I'm going to use all the goat cheese too. Look at that. All right, Paige, let's go to the oven. And I've got the broiler on. So I'm going to stick it under the broiler and I'll stand here and babysit it. And when it's kind of melted and slightly golden, I'll take it out and we'll dive in. Hello. Check it out. How good does that look? Okay, just some parsley. I'm just gonna tear it because I'm lazy and I can't find my knife, if we're being honest. Sprinkle it over. So you actually need to let this sit about 10 minutes before you let anybody dive into it because that cheese is so hot. It's basically like lava at this stage. But serve it with a little bowl of crostini. Just let everyone go in, or you can have little plates. Everybody can kind of get their own piece of goat cheese. To me, this and a bottle of wine is the perfect dinner for one. Just kidding. Kidding, not kidding.